Hello friends, welcome to our channel Important for You. In this video, we are going to learn about rare animals in India, or you can also say endangered animals in India. Today we are going to share few important things about rare animals in India or endangered animals in India. Endangered or rare animals are those animals which are likely to become extinct, but by taking few important steps we can save them. The thick forest of India hosts some of the most exotic and rare wildlife species in the world. Here are few of the most amazing animals. Our country India harbors a mixture of wildlife species. There are more than 500 wildlife sanctuaries and 100 national parks which give shelter to an enormous number of endangered and wild animals. The country is blessed with diverse and unique creatures, although due to harsh and human interference and the climatic changes, many of the wild animals are on the verge of extinction. Today let's talk about top 7 endangered or rare animals in India. The first is greater one-horned rhinoceros, which is also known as Indian rhinoceros. Second one is Nilgiri tahr. Third is Bengal tiger. Fourth one is Asiatic lion. Fifth is blackbird. Sixth is lion-tailed macaw. Seventh but not the least, snow leopard. The greater one-horned rhinoceros is also known as alias Indian rhinoceros. Indian rhinoceros are listed as one of the vulnerable species by the International Union for the Conservation of the Nature. The animal can be found in India and Nepal, particularly in the foothills of the Himalayas. Poaching of horns is an important reason of the decline in the numbers. Places where this animal can be spotted. India's Kaziranga National Park remains the key reserve for this species. Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary. Interesting facts about greater one-horned rhinoceros. The white rhino is the largest land mammal after the elephant. During the Mughal era, the rulers used to use greater one-horned rhino in fights against elephants as entertainment. The rhino would often win. Thankfully, this sport is no longer practiced or permitted now. Nilgiri tahr. Nilgiri tahr are found onto the tropical rainforest of the Western Ghats. This endangered species have a stocky coat with a bristly mane, curved horns and coarse, and a short fur. Locally, this animal is known as Nilgiri ibex or simply ibex. This is considered as the state animal of Tamil Nadu. Nilgiri tahr is facing a major threat in the Western Ghats due to the continuous poaching activities and eucalyptus cultivation hampering its habitats. Places where Nilgiri tahr can be spotted: Eravikulam National Park, Nilgiri Hills, Annamalai Hills, Periyar National Park, and Palni Hills. Interesting facts about this animal. As per the current survey, there is a total population of 3000 Nilgiri tahr in India, inclusive of smaller species which haven't been documented in the past. Third animal is Bengal tigers. Bengal tigers are considered as the national animal of two major countries, India and Bangladesh. The Bengal tiger is justifiably referred to as the big cat. 70% of the world's wild tigers live in India. Tigers are fast vanishing due to human interference and poaching cases. The natural habitat of tigers in India are tropical evergreen forest, deciduous forest, mangrove swamps, thorn forest, and grass jungles. Altogether, there are 48 tiger reserves in India, but one of the places that has major wildlife tigers is Jim Corbett National Park. Places where the Royal Bengal tigers can be spotted: Tadoba National Park, Ranthambore National Park, Sundarbans National Park, Sariska Tiger Reserve, Jim Corbett National Park, and Bandhavgarh National Park. Interesting facts about the Bengal tigers. A tiger roar can be heard more than a mile away. Asiatic lion. Gujarat in India is a home to a large population of Asiatic lion, aka the Indian lion or Persian lion. The king of the jungle reigns supreme in India. As per the facts presented by WWF, the Asiatic lion can be only found in India. Interesting facts about Asiatic lion. The Asiatic lions are renowned as the second largest feline species in the world after the tigers. 1,400 square kilometer Sasangir Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat is the last royal refuge of the Asiatic lion. Places where Asiatic lion can be spotted: Gir Forest National Park, Gujarat. Blackbird. Blackbirds, the Indian antelopes, are found in abundance in the plains, grasslands, and scrubs of India. Other than India, blackbirds can be found in Nepal and Pakistan. Places where blackbird can be spotted: Velavadar Blackbird National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park, Kanha National Park, Ranthambore National Park, Corbett National Park, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, Gir National Park, and Gundia National Park. Interesting facts about blackbird. The blackbird is the state animal of Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, and Punjab. Sixth, lion-tailed macaque. Running along the west coast of India, the mountains of Western Ghats are home to a rare species, lion-tailed macaque. These lion-tailed macaque can be found in the tiny, isolated pockets of the tropical forest in the Western Ghats. Lion-tailed macaque is one of the most endangered animals in the world. The silent feature of the macaque and its appearance are its outstanding characteristics. Places where lion-tailed macaque can be spotted: Silent Valley National Park in Kerala, Papanasam part of the Kallakad, Mundanthural Tiger Reserve in Tamil Nadu, and Sirsi Honnavira Rainforest of Northwestern Ghats in Karnataka. Interesting facts about the lion-tailed macaque. The lion-tailed macaque is so well adapted to its forest home that it simply cannot adjust to the new habitats being created by human intrusion. Seventh, snow leopard. The snow leopard are found in the steep and rocky region of the Himalayas. The snow leopard is the descendant of the wildcat and panther families. The snow leopard can be easily identified by its tail as it is 80 to 105 cm long. They have thick, long fur and their skin color varies from yellowing tan to smoky grey. Places where snow leopards can be spotted: Hemis National Park in Ladakh, Nanda Devi National Park in Uttarakhand, Dibang Wildlife Sanctuary in Arunachal Pradesh, Kibar Wildlife Sanctuary in Himachal Pradesh, Pin Valley National Park in Himachal Pradesh, and Greater Himalayan National Park, Kullu, Himachal Pradesh. The snow leopards are illegally hunted in the fur trade for making luxury coats, and their bones are sought after for traditional Asian medicine. Interesting facts about the snow leopards. Unlike other big cats like lions and tigers, snow leopards cannot roar. Snow leopards' cubs are born blind, they don't gain sight until they are 7 days old. Mentioned above are some of the most incredible animals or endangered animals that we might never see again until and unless some serious actions takes place. These species are vital for the maintenance of the ecological balance as they play a key role in the food cycle. Thank you for watching our channel Important for You. For more interesting and important videos, like and subscribe our channel Important for You. Don't forget to leave your views and comments about this video and catch you again with the other interesting topics. Thank you. Bye bye.